Good day, I'm Winnie D. Kababat and I will be book reviewing the book She Will Be Loved by Cheer. This book was made in Wattpad and was published by Cheer. And this book is all about the two lovers who is Jillian and Lade. Actually, they are not in the story. They are not mentioned that early as a lover, but they have like a story. They each have a story, so we'll talk about it through this review. So first let's talk about the book's theme, which is romance. This book usually focus on romance style, and there's also politics in this theme of this book, and the writing style of this the author's writing style is actually pretty good. It has I'd say double meaning words, like it has more deeper meaning to its words. Like you have a certain word that you would think that's the meaning, but in other words the author wants to have a deeper meaning to that word. And the characters, they have a good character development, such as um, uh, such as Jillian, and later I will talk about what part of the scenes that we can say that Jillian really made a good character development. And so let's go to the scenes that I like and also dislike. So one part of the book is like when so Jillian has a father and also a no yeah she he has a father, and Jillian has a wife, and that wife, they had a child, which is a boy. And after a long time, Jillian thought that that was his child. And then at the I think it was at the ending of the book, when Jillian discovered that the child was actually not his, and it was actually by his father. His wife actually has a relationship with his father, and that child was actually the result of that relationship. And the reason they got married is because the father didn't want to let Jillian know that he actually impregnated the girl. So that scene, I didn't like that, because that scene was cheating, and I don't like cheating, and it somewhat affect the some a part of me, and I didn't really like it. And one of the scenes that I like naman is yung the scene where the ending of the book, where oh no, not the ending, like the before the middle part of the book, which is when Jillian and Lade, which is the two main character of the book, they met. It was really exciting for me. That part was really good and nice. And yeah, I really like that part, because it's parang nakakakilig, and parang pinaulit-ulit kong basahin yon. And there's also another scene where it's the ending, where Jillian and Lade had a daughter, and they actually met, because before the ending, Jillian and Lade actually got into a fight because of the when Jillian found out that his father was having an affair with his wife. So they got into a fight, and Jillian went to other country, and he wasn't able to get contact with Lade for, I think it was 10 years. And then during that time, he didn't know that was pregnant. And at the ending of the story, Lade and Jillian actually met in an airport, and he found out that he actually had a child with her. And in the ending, they have good terms, and nagbati sila, and ayun, and na-meet siya ng daughter niya, and it was really nice.